Hello everyone, it's Helen and welcome to my fourth layout for the month of May for Kitaholic Kits. I'm just showing you there that I'm actually going to fussy cut out all those flowers, and you can see them in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Luckily I didn't record all that for you. As you can see, I'm scrapbooking a photo of myself. It was taken just the other week when I turned 50. And as I'm wearing such a pretty floral dress, I couldn't resist using some of the floral paper from this month's kit. You're going to see quite a metamorphosis of this layout. I had this idea of starting with a craft background, having some layers of pink and all sorts behind my photo, and then I got this idea for a bit of mixed media. Not quite sure what I was thinking. As you'll see, the page will evolve and it doesn't end up looking anything like this at all. Well, maybe this layout of all these fussy cut flowers. But that's about it. You can see here, this is where things start going bad. I made a nice navy black colour, but I'm not quite sure what I was thinking. But I've left this in to just show you. We all get these ideas. We start, we plan, well, maybe that's my problem. I don't really plan. But we do things and we think, no, I shouldn't have done that. Sometimes I can work with it and fix it. But other times I wonder what I was thinking. As you can see, when I was going to tape down that striped paper and I turned it over, I went, that's the side of paper I should have been using. And I pulled out a piece of black cardstock, and from here on, things just come together. I was really struggling when I had to craft out and I was fiddling. I cut a lot of the video out where I was fiddling and rearranging, but yet I pulled the black out and it just worked. And you may have wondered, why did I cut that strip in half and now I'm attaching it back as a full strip? Mainly because I didn't want the yellow flowers on the edges. I didn't want a lot of the yellow, and this way I can cover most of the yellow up. So that's why I cut it and restuck it so that I got it the way I wanted. When I had first rearranged or arranged the flowers on the craft background, I did take a photo of that arrangement. I don't know about you, but often when I am creating something, I'll place it all out and think, oh yeah, I really like it like that. And then I move it because I want to do something else and I forget how I had it exactly, and it always annoys me. So I've learned, I take a photo of it and that way I can refer back to it if I need to. So I put all the flowers out, stuck them down. You'll see I added some fun foam behind the photo so that I just lifted it up, gives it a bit of dimension, adds a bit of shadow and depth to the page, and it allows me to tuck under some of these flowers. You can see I also hand cut, fussy cut out some butterflies. I've tried to incorporate butterflies in every layout this month. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's just that little something I've done. And now I'm building on my title here. And I wanted it to say I am 50, and there was a little square of the sticker sheet, and I placed it down, and I'm adding a few little stickers here and there, and I'm going to build on this square here. But I don't know, something's just saying to me, yeah, Helen, stop, it's not looking good. Sometimes I can manage to just stick things down and it looks fine, but today wasn't one of those days. So I pull it all up, and on that sticker sheet you can see there is a row of little banners, and I thought, actually I could make a little birthday banner and stick a title across there. So just by replacing that blue flower, it's just given me that visual line where I can make that banner. And then I thought I want my title to say, I'm 50. I'm proud of the fact I'm 50, mainly because I've read somewhere that if you haven't matured by the time you're 50, you never mature. So I now know I'm safe because I haven't matured greatly in the last month, so I'm fine. But anyway, back to the title. I tried a few different I ams and they were too big. And so there was a sticker, but it had a white border and I didn't want that white. So I fussy cut around and then was the perfect size to say, I am 50. And now I'm just adding the finer touches with some sequins and some resin flowers and some puffy hearts. I love adding those little tiny bits so that when you're looking at the layout, you've got those little things that you can look at. And then I tried again with making a little cluster of those stickers to the bottom right hand corner of the photo. And this time it did work. And I pulled out some of the written comments or quotes, and I've got, this is me. I am not perfect, but I'm the perfect me, moving in the right direction. I am grateful for every day. And then I pulled out this little packet of pieces from Corbett Creations that's part of the kit, and I like the happy. Well, it's happy birthday, so I thought I'd use it. So thank you for coming on this winding journey to this page's creation. Take care. Till next time. Bye.